In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload FAQ on Intercom. Start by signing into your Intercom workspace and looking for the Settings area. Click Settings, then scroll down toward the bottom of the page. Taking a moment to scroll slowly helps because Intercom groups features in sections, and the Help Center tools can be lower on the list depending on your layout and permissions. Once you are in the correct section, go to the left side navigation and click Help Center. This is where you manage the content that customers will read when they search for answers, including FAQ-style articles and support documentation. Make sure you are working in the correct Help Center if your workspace has more than one, such as one for different products or regions. Next, go to the top menu and click Articles. This will show you your existing articles and the options for creating new ones. From here, click the plus button for New Article. This opens the editor where you will create your FAQ entry. Now type your title and your content. Keep the title clear and specific, since it acts like a headline customers scan in search results. In the body content, write in short sections with simple wording. If your article includes steps, separate ideas into small paragraphs so it is easy to read on both desktop and mobile. After you have added the content, select a collection. Collections are used to organize articles into categories, so customers can browse related topics and your Help Center stays tidy. Choose the collection that best matches the topic of your FAQ. Good organization also makes it easier for your team to maintain content later. Then click Configure and Style. This is where you can review how the article will look and confirm key settings before it goes live. Pay attention to formatting, spacing, and overall readability, so the final article feels consistent with your other Help Center content. When you are happy with everything, click Save and Close. This saves your draft and exits the editor view. Finally, click Publish. Publishing makes the article available in your Help Center so customers can find it right away. That covers everything you need to know.